Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Roblox. Whenever you launch the game, you got the error of Roblox does not support admin installation. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any update is pending at your end, click on the option download and install to make your operating system up to date. After updating, restart your PC and then try to launch the Roblox and check if you are still getting the error of Roblox does not support admin installation. Now if this method failed to work out, let's proceed to the next step. You must have a Roblox player icon as it is shown right over here. You need to right click on it and click on the option open file location. Now here is the main file location. Right click on it and choose the option properties over here. Click on the compatibility tab and make sure you uncheck this particular option, run this program as an administrator. Once you uncheck it, hit apply, OK button. Now what you need to do is to launch the game right from this application. Simply double click and run this application to play the game. And once the game is launched, you need to create the shortcut of this application by right clicking and click on the option show more options, send to, and select the option desktop. Here is the new shortcut. You can easily play the Roblox game using the newly created shortcut. Now if this method failed to work out, let's proceed with the third step. Right click on start menu and choose option run. Type here percentage, local app data percentage, and then hit the enter key. Now here you need to click on the address bar to copy the path as it is over here by right clicking and choose the option copy. Now close it. Now click on start menu, type CMD. Run CMD as an administrator. Now here type CD space paste the command that we have just copied by pressing the Ctrl V button. Then hit the enter key. Now type here rmdir space /s space Roblox and then hit the enter key again. Now type the Y key and hit the enter key. Once it is done, close it. Now you need to open up your browser. In browser, open roblox.com and log in using your user ID. Once you are logged in, go ahead and click on any of the game. Then hit the play option. Once you hit the play option, it will automatically connect and automatically update your Roblox player, which will again help you fix out the issue of Roblox does not support the admin installation. So make sure you log in using the user ID and password and then run this game and then open up your browser, install the Roblox using the same method as I have shown right over here and then install the game to fix out the issue of Roblox does not support admin installation. Now you can see you can easily play the game after installing it from the browser menu. Now if all the method fails, lastly you can do is to click on the start menu and open Microsoft Store for you. In Store, search for the game Roblox, select the game, simply hit the install option. Once it is installed, you can use the Microsoft Store version of the Roblox to play the game and you will not be encountered with the same issue of Roblox does not support admin installation. So this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.